Oh god, I just got through.
Oh, jeez.
Right, left. Someone say titties now. I much more prefer party mode to like most of the other modes in this game.
This is not gonna be a good one.
It's gonna be difficult to get up there, but I think we can do it.
Extra box!
Oh yeah, the extras box.
Thank goodness.
Because we only have 2 players.
Oh, is that how that works?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I don't even know where the end is.
Up there.
Wow, okay. Cool. Well, crap. There's no way up there. What's up, kitty? Whoa! Oh! How you doing? Okay. Come right here.
Very mature.
Very adult.
Oh shit. I mean, there was no way to get up there.
No. What do you mean 90%?
90%. What the fuck does that mean?
90% epic.
Wait, did you give yourself a handicap?
I didn't do anything.
I didn't know you could give hand jobs.
I don't know. You could get. I'd give the best hand jobs. You kidding me? I'm a fluffy squirrel.
Okay, we'll talk about your daddy issues later.
No. We don't need to go into that at all. Oh. Okay, fair play on that one. Ooh.
Fair play.
Fair play. Man, this makes it difficult.
Oh, does it?
That's not a good one. No! Ooh. Ooh.
Are you high right now?
No! Just completely block that area. Okay.
Yep.
Whoa, okay, that's scary.
Yep.
Man, he is good. And away he goes.
And away we go.
You think you're so funny.
Ooh. Oh.
Try me, bit.
Oh shit. My face nearly got singed.
Almost got singed in the face. Oh, yes.
Rocket.
Crocodile. Does this work?
I think so. I think that worked.
No. Yes.
Oh no.
That'll be so stupid. Oh yeah. Damn you!
What do you? Oh, because it's swinging into the start area.
Oh my gosh, that's it. Hi, chicken. Stop making fun of me. Oh boy. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, danger. I did it. Alright, go.
I had a 90% handy.
I don't even know what the 90% thing means.
I think that's like your handicap.
Okay, but like
you only get 90% of the points.
What way? Why would I set that up for myself?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Yeah. There we are. That does it.
Bruh.
Just completely block it.
Yeah, let's make this whole thing impossible.
Yeah.
Ah, shit!
Oh no. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah!
I totally forgot that I have that tennis ball launcher fucking moving.
I would have gotten that first if I knew that there was an open space. There is of honey. Yeah. You can't make it go upside down. What? What?
Let's see how this works out.
You can't.
Let's see how it looks.
What am I gonna do with this block?
I didn't know you were fucking cool like
Right
that,
there.
by the way, man.
Oh, sweet, yeah. No, look pretty cool, huh? Fine.
I was talking about weed in there, but okay.
Talk about who's wiener?
I said I was talking about weed, but okay.
Weed. I mean, I won't judge you. Oh my gosh, it works.
American-
Oh my! So
It's
goodness.
I mixed myself.
I was just curious on how you're gonna do that. Oh! Don't even. No! No!
It's the most impressive thing that I've ever invented. I
Ah!
appear to have invented a knife-wielding tentacle. If someone would like to come and turn it off, that would be fine by me. You could put it on a black hole, yeah.
Put it on a black hole, you're damn right.
I'll put it on your black hole.
I'm gonna put it inside your black hole.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? How eventful. Oh my gosh. Oh!
Talk shit, get hit.
I was not expecting that at all. Oh, goodness. Hey. Okay, this is it.
Oh, me oh my, is that a massive piece of shit I spy?
Oh. Man, this got way more difficult. Guess we've changed our destination menu. Whoa. I don't know where you went. No! What? Oh, you chick. Oh, you. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I guess I do. No, I don't want this!
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
You went right through the. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, okay, okay. You can hold B to give up if you like. Oh no! It was just there.
Awesome.
We just broke it. Sweet.
Sweet.
Oh. It's sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet daddy, daddy.
No.
Oh no! Well, I have high hopes for me.
Had to have high. Had to get high with a fucking. Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine. Go.
Hey baby, I'm good. What's up? Dang, you wish you got this. Why do I have that handicap? Uh oh.
3 turns left.
Oh, I'm like so screwed or something.
I've just made this so much more difficult than it needs to be.
Yeah, a little bit.
Here we are. Totally necessary.
Totally necessarily difficult.
Hey, no, let me get me. Whoa.
What? What the fuck? Just so your body's spazzing out.
I almost made it.
No,
What is
you
this?
would've gotten sucked.
I got so hot. Wait, does this work?
Let's
Mine.
But I don't wanna.
Try and get it, homeboy.
Go white boy, go white boy, go white boy, go white boy.
Okay. White boy in action.
machine. We've been at this for fucking hours.
No, but kill me, no!
I don't want to orange justice while you chant "Go white boy go" anymore.
Oh my gosh.
My balls!
I'm just gonna get rid of you. Because you are annoying. Perfect.
Even worse.
Out with the old, in with the new, you feel me?
Yeah. Security system enabled.
Security system enabled. Well, I have no hopes. That almost killed me. Impressive. Okay. Oh.
All the way
All
up
the way
there?
up there. Oh.
Why?
Oh, does the water kill you?
No, certainly. No, it pushes you upwards.
Okay, it was gonna do either one or the other.
Mm-hmm. Num num num.
Oh man, this is gonna be interesting. Whew.
Shit.
No!
Oh my balls!
Jump right over it, damn it! Since I am so bad at platforming, apparently.
Oh, I thought I managed to detect it. I thought I was the ultimate gamer, but I'm actually fucking cringe.
Oh, sorry, sorry to hear that. I am having fun. Okay. Oh no, I don't want that yet. I don't want it yet. Wait, I don't want it yet. I don't want it yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Not yet, Luigi.
Not yet, Luigi. What is this? Ooh.
I got the metal plant.
Damn it! I want it! I want the metal blade!
You are a cow.
Oh man, this got exciting. The squirrel is dead!
Yay.
Yay!
I-
I need to fix that stupid handicap. Yep. Ah! I suck at this now.
You're just rusty.
Are you rusty too, by chance?
I just got squeezed.
You guys squeezed. Yes. No! Well, I fell down the. Oh. Wait, what?
I stood up too early.
Wow. I thought you you died from dust or something. Hiya! Later! Woo! I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get killed now that I said that. Oh, I'm gonna get killed. Oh, I'm gonna get killed. Whew, I've been spared. Oh. Come here, baby. Gotcha, 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 gotcha.
Okay, you ain't got shit, man.
Dude, shut up! No, I can do it. I can watch this. I can do it. Look at me. Hey, thank you. Okay. You can reject me like that. I did it, Dad. My daddy got the coin. Oh. Oh, I got my tea. Woo. Hey, stay away from that coin. Hey, hey, my coin. My coin. Oh, it's gone.
Michael. Yeah, this. Whoa!
Later! Oh, goodness.
Cose tu madre!
Guys, do my Ooh, yes! You prick! I'm gonna kiss your dad for that.
I will shoot the cannon.
Okay, but like you could have made it better than that. Oh yeah, you could have done a better job than that. Oh no, no, no.
See you later, Stinky.
See you later, nerd. Whoa. Let's get a shot here. How could I fail? Oh, you mad lad. Oh, you mad lad. You would. You whoa.
I would, I will, and I can.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's gone crazy. Oh, got crushed. And flaubeed.
Ooh, baby. Hot piss.
Well, I'm getting less points because of the garbage. Stupid.
Yes, garbage is stupid. I love myself some garbage.
Hooray! Uh-oh. Ah, no! I almost met the same demise.
Take him to the point.
Cool. So now what? Whoa!
Did you show me how to do it, Mr. Masterman?
Okay. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Ah! I did it! No! Almost screwed it up. Give me the victory bell! Yes, father.
No.
Even if you don't get a coin, you just need to get the one goal. Oh. Well, I am all alone now. I am alone in this world of torture. I'm dead.
My internet just.
I win anyway. Yeah! I still didn't take the handicap off. Whatever! I don't need it. Alright, I have it anyway, but whatever. Hey, where you go? Hey, maybe where you at?
I'm dead.
Where you go? How dare you leave me alone?
I'm dead.
Hey. Epic handicap. There we are. No, Karate Bear! Oh. I might be screwed. Yeah, what's up, fool? Oh, no! No! Okay. Woo! Post-mortem, kind of. Not really. Wow.
Damn.
I can retire now. Happy.
Shadow, you're so cool. I wish you were my dad.
Ah!
That's how you choose the option.
Oh my gosh!
I haven't even landed it yet. I have not
Yeah.
even
Whoa.
landed it.
Uh-oh. Ah! I demand
I
fire!
have not even landed on the barrel yet.
Demand
I don't know why I'm turning into Alan from Smiling Friends.
Which one's Alan?
Alan was the one that's like. I just wanted my cheese.
Cheese. I missed, but that's fine. That's fine! Woo! What's up? He lives!
I made it. I made it. I did good.
2 easy no points! I like death. We're good pals. I still miss! I'm not embarrassed, you are. Oh my. I didn't trust it. I didn't trust it. I didn't trust it. Yeah! Oh.
What was that sound?
Oh, I hope you're enjoying yourself.
I'm dead.
Straight dead.
Damn, he won.
Wow. That's weird. Yay, father.
I just got hit with a fucking truck.
You just got hit?
It's been about 45 minutes now.
It's been about 8 weeks since I've vaped.
I'm Mario.
I'm Mario. I haven't seen my. Have you seen my mushroom? I need it.
Have you seen my lemons? I want my lemons.
I want my lemons.
I think this one might be for you, man.
Whee! Maybe.
Nah!
Yep, it is. So now what?
I just die, I guess.
Alright.
I guess I die. You can play it that game, Cell.
You can play that death game, boy. I don't know. Just don't be stupid. You won't get caught in it.
What's my daddy do?
It's mine.
I don't know.
Next, my dad knows.
I think we just lost the platform, by the way.
Yep, that was funny.
Yep. As a hedgehog, I find this very funny.
I find it very funny. Okay.
I'm going to harm babies.
Sweet, didn't miss that for some reason. Yeah. Oh no, you
Whoa.
don't.
Wow, you are so smart, Mark. Oh. What are you laughing at, Mark?
Was that on purpose?
It was not.
That's funny.
Yeah, that makes sense. He is dead then. Rest in peace, my son.
Oh, I think you know what's happened.
All right, time's up. Overplay. Wow, you're gonna have to really earn that. You're gonna have to really work for that.
You have to do
That's
a
mine.
lot of work
That's
for it.
mine. Mine. Oh no. Oh. I almost had my soul sucked.
I did have my soul sucked because I'm an idiot.
What the heck is happening with your body? Okay.
What do you mean? What's happening with my body?
Ah, it was just sitting. It wasn't like sucked in the void just yet. It was like staggering. Staggering Pythagorean theorem. Staggering Pythagorean Parathongus, the man of triangles. Pythagoras is did it. Shall I have Becky Homeki? Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! No!
Send.
More like a descend.
Whoa! Watch
Oh,
the watch the shell. Oh, dude.
Whoa, wash the
What?
shell, dude.
What were you gonna say earlier?
Good question. I don't know.
You got so distracted by impersonating Crush.
Oh my goodness. Wash shell.
Oh my god! You were all like, whoa! And then, whoa! And then, whoa!
My soul's being sucked out of my.
What are you talking about? You, man! Swimming with the jelly.
Come here, baby! Ah! Almost got you.
Whoa, dude. Don't hurl on the shell. Just got this wax. Oh wow, you're so good at this game, Mark. It's not like as soon as you removed your own handicap, another one else has another handicap on.
What's your handicap called? It's called shut up.
called weed.
It's called weed.
Ooh. Start with some
Whoa.
goop. Whoa.
Mine. Dude, that's like crazy, bro.
Well, what?
Do these rotate? Whoa, dude, that's like radical or whatever.
Did you like just turn into?
Whoa, they move.
Whoa.
I don't want that one. I'll take that one. Yippee,
You
dude.
got bunny, Mark.
I got a Robo Bunny, bro. We're both gonna skip it just to get that. Uh-oh.
I got bunny.
Bro, you got a Robo Bunny, bro. Here, I'll get the goal for you.
Whoa.
Whoa, dude. Ooh.
Bro. Somebody's. Yeah. Yo.
I've seen some shit. Oh my. So,
I'm so hanging a cake.
you come here often?
Oh, I come often.
Nice, dude. Nice. Why not that? Why not attach that to someone? Or someone, one of these goops.
Because I don't.
I want to see. Oh!
Wind does not do anything to those arrows.
Oh my gosh.
That's why I put it there.
That's so brutal.
Coin Island.
Cool. Wow, Coin Island. Oh, dance in my house. Dance in my ass.
For legal reasons, that's a joke.
Right. No, my son!
Please just go.
Am I getting...
Don't
Am I
need
getting...
to- Yes.
Ay!
Yes. I'm a piranha. They're in the Amazon.
I'm from the Amazon. I don't know how to put this. There.
Very
Nice. Oh, snap. Wow. I want uppies. Ah, I almost died. Almost died again.
Oh, I.
Uppy!
Coins.
Uppy! Woo! Uppy. Woo. Come here, baby. Oh, no. Oh. Honestly, I don't even know what killed me. See?
Spikes.
Oh, the spikes. Okay. I thought I got slammed in the door.
My brain!
What the flip, dude? Like, what? Oh, that won't work.
Do you just hate squirrels so much?
Just gotta hit. I can't make it go upside down! That works.
I guess.
Damn, dude. That's like tough! Oh!
I gotta remember that I placed those damn coins.
Hello! Oh.
The hell was that?
Maybe if I greeted the arrows kindly, they wouldn't be mean.
I'd say this game is just like Dark Souls.
This is a perfect game to compare to Dark Souls.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Now we're cooking. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude, bro. Yeah, dude, bro.
Don't mock me.
Bro, dude, yeah, bro, no. Okay.
I'm Mr. White Christmas. I'm high on crack.
Oh. I'm high on crack. You're doing good, son!
Fucking damn it, I forgot about my own coins again. No, wait. No, wait.
No, wait, baby, wait. Let me, wait.
What are you doing, Step Coin?
Uh-oh, Step Coin is stuck on the washing machine. Yeah, that's totally relevant.
Yep. Makes sense to me.
Makes sense, yep, it makes sense.
Boy Junior.
Yeah. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Oh.
Hey, Mike. Oh, there you go, Mike. Whoa! No! How dare you? You dare steal my victory in my time of come. Alright, fine, whatever. Woohoo!
Boy.
Coin. Oh, right, the ones I got are gone. I forgot about that. Oh, there's still some spots left. Okay.
No, officer, it's hi. How are you?
Yeah, you're gone. You are Swiss. Oh! That almost got me. Woo! 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 Woo!
Oh, shh.
Ah!
Whoa.
Yeah. There's so many things I have to look at.
How dare you insult me?
My eyes are splitting so I can stare at multiple things at once.
Oh man, Darren's so hot. Why won't he let me see the kids no more?
Why won't my baby let me see my kids no more? I birthed them out of my vagina. Ooh.
Hey, yo, where the pussy product at? Aisle 13. Oh.
Oh! I'm just gonna lay here for a second. That is brutal. You could pull a clutch.
Okay, at least I is.
I'm by EOA. Yep. Okay. Oh, help me, step bro. Help me, gotta help me. No! Man!
Are you okay?
Nope, I am not okay. I've been consistently reincarnated as a squirrel only to die and then be reincarnated again for human entertainment. No, I'm not okay!
I got the metal plant.
Damn it!